Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you some updates on my Lido finance staking. I'm staking Ethereum on the Ethereum 2.0 beacon chain, and I'm making APR of 5% here. Okay, so I'm staking about 6.1030 ST ETH. That's how much I've got in here. I did start, I think it was 6.04, I think. Can't remember exactly, but now I'm at 6.10, which is really good. I'm going to click on history here so you can see the types of rewards I'm making every day. So I'm making around $2 to $3 a day here in rewards on this balance. This balance is about 6.1030 ST ETH, which is the equivalent of $23,796. The reason why I got started with Lido staking my Ethereum is because with Lido, you're not just staking with one validator, okay? You're staking amongst many. And what that means is that it's more decentralized than staking on Binance or KuCoin or Coinbase. So staking my Ethereum here is much more decentralized because at the moment there's more than 14 validators. I know there was 14 before. There's probably much more now. There's probably a few more validators that are staking Ethereum 2.0. So here are some of them on the Lido.finance website. So you can see these ones. You can actually click on these on the website and you'll be able to go directly to individual validator websites. As you can see, the rewards are around 4.9 to 5%. What I've been making has been around that. So you can see it's been 5% on the 16th, 4.9 on the 15th, 4.6 on the 14th, 4.8, 5, 4.95. So it's just been, between that 5 and 4.8% for a while now, which is very good. No bank is going to pay you that. If you can find a bank that pays you 2%, write that in the comments because I want to know. No bank is paying that. Okay, this is much more than any bank. So this is one of the ways that I'm earning Ethereum on my Ethereum. I could have my Ethereum sitting in my Nano Ledger or my Trezor and just sitting there. But what I made a decision, took me a couple of months to do my due diligence, and I came to the decision that I was going to start staking my Ethereum. When I click on here and I come to the Lido Finance website, when I was doing my due diligence, I did have a look at here where it says products, and I did have a look at here Nansen Analytics, because I wanted to know how much is being staked by Lido. This is the thing I wanted to see. Very important for me to know what is going on, how many people are staked on there, what's going on with ST ETH. And I took a look at this. You can see here 1.37 million ETH staked. Crazy. And 18,300 depositors. You can see here token price. You can see here largest staking transaction here 49 days ago. You can also see here which is the top ST ETH balance, which is curve. And after doing my due diligence and looking at all of this, I can see that ST ETH, which is the token that you get when you stake your Ethereum by Lido, is very highly represented on a lot of platforms. Okay, and Yearn.finance being one, Curve being another, and more coming on, like 1inch and more. So this is how I did my due diligence. I had a look there. Come on about here, click on blog. On the blog here, you can actually see what is going on with Lido. They introduced Solana staking, liquid staking, which is very good, and also the ST ETH DAI pair on 1inch as well, and a lot of new things happening. And that's one of the things that got me highly interested in staking my Ethereum here. You see that? Terra, Solana, scroll down, you can see Curve, Ledger, Sushi Swap, Balancer, Anchor, all the validators, the yield that you can make. It was a no-brainer. It was a no-brainer. I prefer to stake my Ethereum here with Lido than stake it on Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase. It's just a better option for me. Do your due diligence and see if it's right for you. Earning Ethereum here passively, 4.8% is not too shabby at all. Your balance, it rebalances every day, so you don't have to do anything. You just hold it, and the STE that you have goes up as per the average APR. You don't have to do anything. And if you're staking through here, you can just click on history and you'll see all of your history. Very, very powerful, very, very good. And you just leave it. Another thing that's really good about this is that as the price of Ethereum goes up, your rewards go up. So with this, I'm going to show you how much I'm making a month. So if I go back here, I'm going to go back and scroll down. This is the rewards calculator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the amount that I have in there, which is 6.10. This, see if it copies. It might not copy. 6.103. It does. So that is the amount that I have staked, and this just shows you my rewards being 5%, and my monthly earnings based around what I have so far are $99 a month. 0.025 Ethereum. I don't really care about this dollar amount, but I do care about this Ethereum amount because I want to be earning as much Ethereum as possible. And in the future, 0.025 Ethereum could be worth $10,000. Who knows? It could be worth $500. It could be worth $1,000 or $2,000. So the more Ethereum I can stack, the happier I'm going to be in the future. So that's why I'm happy with my staked amount being this 23,842 as per this amount. So I'm going to continue staking on Lido. If you are new, check out the link in the description. It will take you to my 7-figure Rolodex, and you'll be able to check out the Lido, my Lido funnel there, where you can actually see me actually depositing my Ethereum there as well as you can see my other opportunities that I have also in the description of this video. If you're watching this on LinkedIn, it'll be there too. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this has been informative for you if you're researching whether you should actually stake your coins with Lido. I love it. I did my due diligence for about 4 or 5 months and come to the conclusion that this is the better option than staking on an exchange or staking myself with 32 Ethereum. So I can stake with much less. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.